I am Monica from IELTS 9. So for this reading, that in previous video I have done this MCQ questions, all 7 questions I have explained it in detail. You can go to that video and you will get link of this video also. But here this question was left. Complete the following. Complete the notes with the help of how many words we have. 2 words. With the help of 2 words we will be doing it, so do it with me. I will show you how you can get the all correct answers. Paraphrasing also I will just explain it to you. Before starting, let me tell you one thing. So this reading is having this first page and this is also F paragraph. Till F we have 2.5 pages, you can say 1 page, 2 page, and F paragraph is also there. So for this reading we had 2 types of question. First is multiple choice questions. For see this, I will tell you something. There are 2 types of questions. So multiple choice questions, till for finding the multiple choice questions we have already read paragraph till D. Now E and F paragraphs are left. This E and F paragraphs, these 2 paragraphs are left, and definitely you will get location of these last 7-8 questions in these 2 paragraphs only. Okay, so that's the way you should divide the reading. But if you say I will do this question first, you can do it, but for that again you will not understand the passage. You will not you have to do more efforts to find the location of the question statement. Okay, so let's do this and we will find the location here only. So hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So we are doing this reading, Paleolithic Cave Art. So that was also part of August. I think it was not 17th, it was in the first week of August that reading was there. So some students had reported this kind of reading. I am not claiming that every question is same, but yes, we can do practice. You can do practice with me. So here instructions for this question, fill in the blanks. It is given like that. Complete the sentences below, no more than 2 words. You will get the location one by one, and sometimes like some exceptional cases are also there. Okay, so but always follow the location one by one, you will get it. Let's move to E paragraph. And yes, definitely no more than 2 words. Here 1 word also can come answer and 2 words also. So for doing this fill in the blanks, we will read all the not all, one by one sentence. People often believe that Paleolithic art considered on rock of. Okay, sometimes the words before or after the blank are important to find the correct location. But here we are looking, people often believe that. So we can find this sentence structure, you can get the answer. Art considered on rock. So this is important word. This will give us the actual answer. So here, so that I have already done, many people assume. So see this, people often believe that. So I have already told some meaning of these, some synonyms of these words. So in this paragraph, so we have got this sentence structure. Many people assume that, people often believe that. See this, you can learn for speaking also or writing also. That sentence structure is there. That art of early hunters and art. What art? So of course they are talking about this because the name of this reading passage is Paleolithic. So art of early hunters and gatherers was limited to cave painting, while the artwork in the deep caves has been the best preserved. Artwork was also done on the walls of rock shelters. So here Paleolithic art considered on rock of walls. No, that will not come out. Actually that's why rock faces also it is given. So rock is the main word. So what would be the answer? You also try to find it with me. People often believe that Paleolithic art considered on rock of. Art of early hunters and gatherers was limited to cave painting. Art considered, while the artwork in the deep caves has been the best preserved. Artwork was also done on the walls of rock shelters and on rock faces out in the this. Pigments also created and engraved. Okay, so here art considered on rock of cave. So here basically they are talking about cave painting, cave and all caves there. So walls of rocks will not come. Art considered on rock of caves. Okay, earlier I was thinking this walls, but this answer was wrong, and this they are talking about cave. So rock of caves. Okay, so if you just only walls we are not talking, they are talking about cave kind of thing. Okay, next, Ice Age artist was used pointed tools to make dash and sculptures on rocks. Okay, so pointed tools and sculptures and Ice Age artist. Okay, so Ice Age artist, Ice Age artist, what we can rock, Ice Age artist. Okay, shelters for Paleolithic artists not only painted with pigments but also created engravings by scratching designs into rock with pointed tools, as well as creating sculpture. Word is here, but where artist also there, but Ice Age artist is not there. Yes, sorry, Ice Age paintings is there of starting the paragraphs. It means they are talking about Ice Age artists. So don't confuse with that. Sometimes we are just stuck with one word, Ice Age artist, Ice Age artist. No, sculpture word we have got here. Sculpture here I shown it to you where it is. Sculpture is here. See this. Okay, so we will be doing like that. So they are talking about artist. So means Ice Age artists not only painted with pigments but also created engravings by scratching designs. Scratching pointed tools means scratching design into rock with pointed tools. Same word is given. So to make engravings and sculptures on rocks. Okay, now 10th number, as well as painting. As I told you, as well as means and. Indirectly they are talking about and. As well, actually synonym is also there for and. Pictures of animals. Apart from pictures of animals, dash are common in most sites. Okay, so in next line, often the artists seem to have seen a suggestion of an animal's shape in rock. Pictures of animals. Okay, dash. Often the artist seemed to suggestion of animals, then added detail through incising lines, pigment in addition to animal images. So this is the thing. In addition means as well as. Okay, in addition, apart from that, most sites have a geometrical designs including dots and quadrangles. Okay, so that is geometrical designs will come here, as well as pictures of animals. See this. In addition to animal images, dash bracket comma is there. Most sites have also geometrical designs. As well as means also had come. So here geometrical designs. Now this paragraph is done. We will move to, for these three questions, to F paragraph. Now next question, pictures of dash. Pictures of dash were sometimes made by wetting. This is important word, wetting the palm with paint. Okay, so E paragraph, images of hands. Pictures, yes, images means pictures, but let's find wetting. Created by either wetting the palm, same thing is made by wetting the palm with paint, so it means pictures of hands. So simple to find this. Okay, it is unusual. Now this is unusual here means not common. Usual means whatever we are finding it in common life. That unusual means not common. To see something different, it is different to see, it is unusual to see an image of a dash in European art culture, art cave. Okay, what is the hand? However, full images are rare in common. Full images of humans are rare in European cave. See this European cave word we have found, European cave art. It is unusual to see, means rare. What is rare? To see an image of human. So now what will you write? Humans, because here image is written. Here it is images of humans. So if image is written, then we will write only human, image of a human. Okay, so A is also there, so single word will come. So that's the important thing, you should note it. You will write humans, same word you will write it, but look at this grammar also. Okay, 13th also, rather than being symbolic, paintings of animals are images. Okay, rather than being negative way, rather than being symbolic, comma, paintings of animals are also images. So in next lines, portrayals of humans are far, they tend to be simple. Most of the animal images, on the other hand, because these are the last line, detailed realistic portrayals of an individual animal species, not simply an symbol. Okay, we are looking for rather being symbolic, paintings of animals are not simply an abstract animal. So before that it means most of the animal images, on the other hand, are detailed realistic portrayals. So comma is also there. So we are looking for, see this, rather than being symbolic, paintings of animals are dash images. Most of the animal images, on other hand, are detailed realistic. So it means paintings of animals are detailed and realistic of an individual, not simply an abstract. So not simply an abstract means rather than being. Okay, here I will just write detailed, comma, realistic. Okay, so that's the thing, we have done this full paragraph.